Q8192. Which coupling nut should be selected for use with 112-inch aluminum oil lines which are to be assembled using flared tube ends and standard in nuts, sleeves, and fittings? A. An 818-5. B. An 818-16. C. An .818-8. The correct answer is C. And 818-8 coupling nut for use with 1 divided by 2-inch aluminum oil lines that are assembled with flared tube ends and standard in nuts, sleeves, and fittings. This coupling nut has been designed and tested to meet the requirements for use with such oil lines and fittings. Q8193. Metal tubing fluid lines are sized by wall thickness and A. Outside diameter in 1 divided by 16-inch increments. B. Inside diameter in 1 divided by 16-inch increments. C. Outside diameter in 1 divided by 32-inch increments. The correct answer is A. Outside diameter in 1 divided by 16-inch increments is a common method of sizing metal tubing fluid lines in the industry. 8193-1. Rolling type flaring R dash, dash, and dash tubing. A. Stainless steel, hard copper, mild steel. B. Titanium, soft copper, corrosion-resistant steel. C. Soft copper, aluminum, brass. The correct answer is C. For the purpose of flaring soft copper, aluminum, and brass tubing, only use rolling type flaring tools. Use only with titanium or corrosion-resistant steel. 8194. From the following sequences of steps, indicate the proper order you would use to make a single flare on a piece of tubing. 1. Place the tube in the proper size hole in the flaring block. 2. Project the end of the tube slightly from the top of the flaring tool, about the thickness of a dime. 3. Slip the fitting nut and sleeve on the tube. 4. Strike the plunger several light blows with a lightweight hammer or mallet and turn the plunger 1/2 turn after each blow. 5. Tighten the clamp bar securely to prevent slippage. 6. Center the plunger or flaring pin over the tube. A. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, and 6. B. 3, 1, 6, 2, 5, and 4. C. 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, and 4. The correct answer is B. To create a single flare on a piece of tubing, follow these steps. 3. Slip the fitting nut and sleeve on the tube. 1. Insert the tube into the flare block's appropriate sized hole. 6. Place the plunger or flare pin in the middle of the tube. 2. Protrude the tube's end from the flaring tool's tip by a small amount, roughly the thickness of a dime. 5. To avoid slipping, tightly tighten the clamp bar. 4. Use a small hammer or mallet to give the plunger a few mild knocks. After each blow, half-a-turn the plunger. 8195. Hydraulic tubing, which is damaged in a localized area to such an extent that repair is necessary, may be repaired. A. By cutting out the damaged area and utilizing a swage tube fitting to join the tube ends. B. Only by replacing the tubing section run, connection to connection, using the same size and material as the original. C. By cutting out the damaged section and soldering in a replacement section of tubing. The correct answer is A. By cutting out the damaged area and utilizing a swage tube fitting to join the tube ends. Repair method can ensure the safety and reliability of the hydraulic tubing.